Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC B1275, indicates a malfunction in the headlight off position circuit. This circuit is critical for the proper operation of the vehicle's lighting system, particularly in managing the headlight functionality based on the driver's commands. The malfunction may affect the headlight switch and associated wiring, located within the steering column or dashboard area where the combination light switch resides. Staying aware of this DTC is important for troubleshooting potential headlight issues, ensuring safety and compliance with road use regulations. Other DTCs in this context, B1276, B1277, B1278, are related to different positions of the headlight switch, which aids technicians in pinpointing the source of the lighting failures. These codes should be considered collectively when diagnosing the vehicle to rule out broader electrical problems across the headlight circuits. The malfunction described by DTCs B1275 through B1278 specifically relates to the headlight circuit controlled by the vehicle's body control module, BCM. The BCM interprets signals from the combination light switch, which directly affects how and when headlights activate. The headlight off position circuit is responsible for ensuring that headlights turn off when no longer needed, thereby conserving battery life. The parking position circuit manages the activation of parking lights, while the auto position facilitates automatic headlight operation depending on environmental conditions. The on position guarantees that headlights are illuminated when required. Understanding these circuits and their locations in the vehicle, primarily within the steering column or dashboard area, is crucial for effective troubleshooting and repairs. Several factors can contribute to DTCs B1275 to B1278. A primary suspect is a malfunctioning combination light switch, which could prevent accurate signaling to the BCM. If signals are not transmitted effectively, it can mislead the system and trigger malfunction alerts. Additionally, shorted or damaged wiring may interrupt electrical flow, leading to circuit malfunction. Problems within the body control module itself can also arise, especially if it cannot process incoming signals from the light switch correctly. Lastly, poor electrical connections often lead to intermittent issues that may cause the system to work sporadically or fail altogether. Diagnosing which of these faults is at play is crucial for resolving the core issue. Drivers may notice several symptoms when troubleshooting DTCs B1275 to B1278. A common issue is that the headlights may fail to turn off or exhibit erratic behavior, such as flickering or turning on and off unexpectedly. Such inconsistencies can pose risks, as proper visibility is impacted. Additional symptoms may include illuminated warning lights on the dashboard, indicating that a fault has been detected in the lighting system. A failure to properly engage the switch can lead to inconsistent light activation, further complicating nighttime driving conditions. Identifying these symptoms early can help ensure timely diagnostics and repairs, ultimately improving vehicle functionality and safety. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1275 involves the use of a Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check parameters related to the headlight switch. Begin by verifying the switch's position: off, parking, auto, and on. For instance, when the switch is off, the headlight switch off signal should be on while others remain off. If these signals meet the requirements as per the diagnostic data, the initial assumption indicates that there may be intermittent failure. If any parameters fail this check, it points toward potential issues downstream, warranting further investigation into wiring and connections. Moving to the second troubleshooting step, you'll cycle through all switch selections using the HDS. it's important to assess the current conditions of each switch position to verify their operational status. Specifically, determine if any of the data list values fail to register as on when they should be, indicating a malfunction within the switch or its connections. If any values are off unexpectedly, that could lead investigators to the likely area of failure. Confirming that all values are operational can assist in isolating the circuit's trouble points. In this step, you'll turn the vehicle off to lock mode and proceed to disconnect the combination light switch via the 12P connector. Following disconnection, utilize the HDS to check signal values again. Here, determining if all data list values read as off is crucial. A return indicating all listed values are off suggests a faulty combination light switch is likely the source of the issue. Should any values read otherwise, further troubleshooting is necessary, pointing to additional components or connections. For step 4, again, set the vehicle to off lock mode and disconnect the body control module's 66P connector. This is crucial for checking for a short in the wires leading to the headlight off, on, and parking switches. You will check for continuity between specific test points to determine if there are shorts to ground. If continuity is present between any test points, it indicates a wiring issue that requires immediate repair. Conversely, lack of continuity suggests that the wiring is intact, necessitating a deeper examination of the body control module itself. During this step, keep the vehicle in off-lock mode while disconnecting the combination light switch. You'll then connect specified terminals A and B using jumper wires to simulate a completed circuit. After manually grounding these terminals, utilize the HDS again to monitor if any parameter values shift from off to on. An affirmative response here means that the combination light switch is at fault and should be replaced. Should no changes occur, further exploration into other wiring components or the body control module is necessary. The final troubleshooting step again involves placing the vehicle in off, lock, mode and disconnecting the body control module 66P connector. At this point, you're looking to check for continuity between the body control module and the combination light switch for faults that could cause an open circuit or high resistance. If you find continuity, it confirms that the wires are functioning correctly, indicating a possible malfunction within the body control module. Conversely, if continuity is absent, it means there is an open wire or high resistance problem within the circuits, necessitating appropriate repairs. Final repair verification involves ensuring that all systems are functioning correctly post-repairs. This involves retesting the headlight operation to confirm that each of the DTCs B1275 through B1278 has been addressed effectively. Utilize the HDS to check for any remaining DTCs and confirm that none are active. By ensuring that the headlight operates according to vehicle specifications in all switch positions, you can affirm that the previous repairs were successful. This step should include road testing the vehicle to confirm proper functionality before concluding the repair process. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding issues with the headlight system in Honda Accords from 2017 to 2023. Regularly checking wiring and connections will help ensure that moisture or corrosion does not lead to circuit malfunctions. This entails visually inspecting the condition of the headlight switch as well, confirming that it remains functional and free of any damage. Additionally, scheduled routine diagnostics using the HDS can help identify any trends in electrical performance that may lead to future problems. Taking these proactive steps can significantly reduce the likelihood of DTCs like B1275 and its counterparts from occurring. In conclusion, Diagnosing DTC B1275 and its related codes requires a systematic approach to troubleshooting. Each step builds upon the previous one, aiming to gather critical data that leads to an accurate diagnosis and resolution. Regular maintenance checks and a focus on component reliability can prevent future occurrences of these DTCs. Understanding the vehicle's electrical systems, particularly in terms of how components interconnect, is vital for effective repairs. By adhering to these troubleshooting guidelines, technicians can ensure safe and functional operation of the vehicle's headlight system, which is essential for safe driving conditions. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!